Okay everyone, welcome back to another video on the Foxtecc YouTube channel. This time we take a look at the PlayStation 4 and the topic is, for today's video, how you can change the language of the entire UI of the entire PlayStation software. Now, as you can see, you have to fire it up and make sure that your remote is actually connected, all the good stuff, and make sure that you are in this main section. Now, as you are in here, I want you to, of course, navigate over. You can see you can scroll through the selection of all of the games that you have, but if you move up, you get to this another section where you have different things like connecting to the internet, some communities and stuff like that, messages. But if you scroll all the way to the right, there is the settings icon. Settings looks a little bit like a briefcase for whatever reason, although we are used to the gear look, but basically just click on that and just open it up like this. Now you're gonna have to scroll through all of the available things and all of the available sections, and you will eventually find the language. So you have two options. You have the system language and input language. Basically, the system language is naturally what makes sure that you have every single thing, every menu icon, and all of the UI in that specific language. So tap on that and you can change it very simply to whichever language you want. But the input languages are a little bit different because there it just applies to the keyboards and user dictionary. So you can use auto capitalization and predictive text entry as an option. For whatever reason it is put in this section, but basically you can choose the keyboard and user dictionary language. So again, just click on that and choose. You can even choose multiple of them if you want to. So that's how it works. These are the ways how you can change language on PS4. However, you should also keep in mind that if you fire up some games like, for example, the NHL or whatever, you get the language selector at the beginning of the game. So you can also just choose a different language for a specific game only. So that's about it. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the Foxtecc YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys later in the future. Peace out until then.